early yesterday.
Water and soap. Mommy! I'm sorry, what did I say? I said hot water and soap.
Let it sit 10 minutes. All right. So you gotta unscrew these two.
Go down and behind the ears like so. I'm over dramatizing right now.
Start getting into female hair and shit, or Zulak.
Both.
I don't know, to be honest. I think it's Zulak, but it might be Zunak.
We got another shadig.
He wants a shadig. I don't know what a shadig is.
A clip?
Oh, yes.
A shadig?
Nope, nope. The flyaway hair? Attach the flyaway hair to the headed. There we go. There we go. Not bad, not bad.
It has to flow. You can't just be one single hair. Properly. I mean, some people do it like that, but it's sometimes.
I thought that look is disgusting. Mullet.
Oh yeah.
We're taking over the industry. Chicago don't got no prominent barbers. You see 1, 2, 3. This is history. 10 years from now, we would have been taken over.
Marking. Wait, putting it in. That's how you say
Speaking it into existence. There you go. You heard it here first.
Yeah. The shear work. Ain't no game. Boom, boom. Chop, chop.
We're not cutting anything off the top because it's not going to cut anything, it's just the perimeter. So in some spots he had it shorter or longer than others.
Oh, so you're just matching it right now. Okay.
Yeah, that's why.
I'll just play. I'm matching. He's like, don't fuck up, don't fuck up.
See how in some spots it was longer?
Boom. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. It's Fidel's fault. It's all Fidel's fault.
I was thinking about just like going like an 8 or something.
No.
But I don't want to.
So how many years were you doing cosmetology before you started doing barbering? Right, you're like, so you're 65?
See now? Everything is equal.
Cool. She just finished the perimeter. Now she's cross-checking.
And see small section.
Alright, so now she's at the top of the capitis.
Right.
And
So
she's taking small sections. Very small. Yeah.
A little bit more.
Bro, stop lying, bro. A little bit more. He said he wanted a little bit more. He's a picky client.
No, so now we're just doing the layers.
Now she's doing layers. So she finished trimming the perimeter. Now she's getting her parting right.
In the front.
Yeah, that's facts. Now she's following her guide. Ah.
They're too bulky.
Yo, oh my god. Yo, Corey, Fidel, Joseph, Jose, Louie. We all out here studying in the book. Never mind this. That's garbage.
That's garbage.
Alright. Shoot. We be out here sometimes just fucking studying.
Catching the vibe, man.
You know, catching up on the book.
Where, anybody got a spray bottle?
Oh yeah.
Bro, can you get the bag so we can put the
We're
fucking
gonna
rods in
dehead
them?
this. Yo, shut the fuck up.
Correct.
Alright, you gotta put the purples with the purples and the oranges with the orange.
We just taking out the rods, that's it.
Cool.
Yeah. D-Roddy.
You think Joe would get mad if I took off his routes?
Yeah, don't touch his shit.
Who?
He's trying to practice.
Who?
Joe.
Mama?
Joseph.
Orange?
Hell no.
Cutting hair and getting $2.
Cutting hair and getting $2? $2 fucking dollars?
That's if they
Yeah, as if you get lucky and get $2.
Or 3 pennies, bro. Motherfucker got tipped 3 pennies. Smoke weed.
What the fuck am I gonna buy with this?
What?
What the fuck am I gonna buy with 3 pennies? Name one thing that costs 3 pennies.
Like my nigga, bro.
Bro, I'll give that shit back if they give me.
Like a fucking screw or something.
Hey, bro, you keep that shit. I want
Got better, yeah. I feel like I just cut. I just got more diversified, and while being diversified made me more skillful, you know. Like I've noticed that my guidelines are just
good looks, bro.
cleaner, you know what I'm saying? Like my fades have been cleaner, my lines are crispier. The weight on the sides isn't as apparent as it was before, past years. Like you realize like your improvement. Like there's no way you don't realize.
Ready?
Yeah,
Yep.
I got good at scraping. That's why, because I always had cardio. I was sitting on and shit. I had like a 7. That always happens. That always happens. You watched it, right?
Yes. You got the new seniors, let me see.
You know what I'm saying with it?
Hell yeah, cordless seniors. Congratulations, man.
Got the ceramic blade about to put on here, you
You're
know
gonna make a
what I'm
lot of
saying
money
with
with these, man. A lot of money with these.
it? Yes, sir. Got the quarter right here.
He got the quarter version, but he upgraded now. He went to the slimmer. He slimmed down a little bit.
I don't want to put these anywhere.
These are the Ergos.
These fucking tissues.
That's the Cadillac of clippers right there. And this is the like Alfa Romero or some shit. Italia. Look, bro, you should get some of these too since you're Italian.
Nope.
Italia. Alright, what's up, you two?
Did you lock your chair before you
We're gonna practice some shaves today, some facial shaves.
Did you lock your chair? Okay. You got it. Did you lock your chair before you was applying it?
Here you go. Got you, bro. Yep, thank you. Miss YB right here, the instructor. She a G. We got Vinny right here. This is my barber. What's up, Angel? Angel. I'll get y'all the next shot. My boy Carlos. Hey. Hey, get it on camera.
Extend. Now I'm going to the next position. Next position. I don't have to move again. Okay? Free hand, backhand. Free hand, backhand. Free hand. All I want you to do is 3 positions. Free hand position. Free hand. Keep your head down.
You say ball? Nigga, I'll bless you real quick. What, nigga? What? First to 11, nigga. First to 11. Bro, I got some shit on basketball. You gotta go somewhere to play basketball. Oh, you got a hoop? Nah, I'm trying to win. Yeah, nah. You fucked up. Let's go. Let's move this school tip. What time you work? 3 o'clock? Start at 12.